Hello guys, today we will learn how to download SHAREit on PC for free within 5 seconds. So, first let us know that what is SHAREit. SHAREit क्या है? SHAREit is a powerful cross-platform app that allows you to transfer video music files within computer and computer. It is worth of free. I can tell you more information about SHAREit. SHAREit has been downloaded by more than 500 million users and has changed the way we transfer files. ये 2013 में लॉन्च हुआ था और immensely popular हो गया था across all platforms. So it is very interesting app. It is not only for transfer app but have so many features like excellent video player. It supports all formats with smooth and perfect video player, infinite online videos. इसमें HD भी आ जाते हैं और ऑफलाइन कैचिंग भी आ जाते हैं बफर फ्री. इसके साथ आपको एलिगेंट म्यूज़िक प्लेयर मिलेगा इक्वलाइज़र के साथ. उसके बाद ट्रेंडिंग म्यूज़िक ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन. सो SHAREit इज़ very interesting app you can download. So now let's start how to download SHAREit on PC. First of all, open Chrome on your PC. Write Chrome, open it, SHAREit. Then open official site. Here you go, SHAREit.1 में. See, here are so many features. I have already told you about this. Now click on download SHAREit. Here there are so many options like iOS, PC, macOS. So here click for PC. Save. Now it's been saving. Open it. It takes little bit time to open. Yeah. Then accept next. Installing. Setup wizard next. See, here you go. It's open. Now connect from mobile to PC or PC to mobile. It's very easy. You can go. Thank you.